Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Changes every heart, and any heart can change you.
Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and welcome to another cleaning video. So if you've seen some of our recent videos, you know that we've been doing renovations. We did a pantry makeover, a laundry room makeover. We recently made over my closet, and then what you haven't seen is we made, well, maybe you've seen it by now, I'm not really sure. But we've also made over Gary's closet. And in the process of this, we've had boxes of stuff all over our house, and we've had tools and all the stuff just out. And so at this point, I'm so glad that it's all done, and I really want to just kind of get the house straight. So this morning, I have the aftermath of breakfast that I need to clean up in the kitchen. And then once I get that done, I need to start working on all of these stuff over here. This is from all of the different things that we've been doing, primarily the closet, because I did clean in between doing some of these, but I gotta get all of this stuff up in back to its normal home. And then at the same time, I also have a really messy bedroom because we've had all of my clothes all over the bedroom, and then all of Gary's clothes all over the bedroom, and now they're all happily in their new closet homes. So I want to clean up in there as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started in the kitchen, and then I'm going to make some Italian meatballs. I'll take you through that. They're actually Italian stuffed meatballs, and I'm making those for a party tonight. So I'll show you that, and then we will get to cleaning the rest of the house.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So now I'm getting ready to make the Italian stuffed meatballs, and the original recipe for this comes from a channel called Jessica O'Donoghue. I really love that channel for cooking videos, and I will link that in the description box below. I'm going to be using my Instant Pot as a slow cooker to cook these for 2 hours. My Instant Pot also, I don't know if y'all have been, if you followed our recent videos, then you know our refrigerator has died, and we still have it. Our freezer still works. We have a new fridge coming on Tuesday, and until then we have like all of the refrigerated stuff that we have, which is very little at this point because we're not buying any. That's out in the garage. And so anyway, Gary just went out to the garage to bring in all the things that I need to make this meal. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to use a pound of ground beef and a pound of Italian sausage. We're gonna put those in the bowl and mix those together. Then we're adding in a ½ teaspoon of salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon each of garlic powder and oregano, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, and 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna put this all in here and mix it up. They're going to be stuffed with these mozzarella pearls, so just little round pieces of mozzarella cheese, probably 3 or 4 inside each meatball. So now I'm just using my hands to mix the ground beef and the Italian sausage together. Okay, so now that we've got the sausage mixed in a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and add everything else, which this is, this was 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Then we need to add a ½ teaspoon of salt and pepper. Okay, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Okay, then 1 cup of breadcrumbs. I used Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. And then we need 2 eggs. Okay. And then I'm also going to add in some chopped up onion. I would say this is probably about half an onion. I'm going to use a spoon to mix this in a little bit, but ultimately I'm going to have to put my hands in here and really mix it up good. I'm also going to add in some parsley. Okay, and this is half a cup of milk. Now I'm just going to go ahead and form the meatballs. I think it made about 18 meatballs, and then I'll stuff each one with 4 of the mozzarella pearls.
I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Okay, so this is my new Instant Pot. I had to go on Amazon to replace my other one because it quit heating. And as y'all know, if you watch this channel, you know I like to use mine as a slow cooker as well. It's a little bit different. It's the same, like it's Duo 6-quart or whatever. I did get it in what they call teal, which to me looks more like a mint green, but I still think it's cute. So I'm gonna put it on slow cook. And these are supposed to cook for 2 hours, so I'm just gonna set it for 2 hours. I am using my homemade marinara sauce. I'll link to that recipe. I made this yesterday, so I'll link to that recipe down below. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna layer in sauce and then meatballs and then sauce and then meatballs and then sauce, and then I'm just gonna cover it.
When someone don't help you, when someone don't help you through the rain, when feelings don't matter and everything's nothing but a game.
Now that I've finished with the meatballs, I'm gonna go back to the dishes and get my sink all cleaned up.
Just know that I'm with you through it all, and I'm gonna be there whenever you win or if you fall. What you're giving, but it's never too late to spread your wings. It's tough now, but trust me, yeah, trust me. I know that we will make it through the storm, 'cause you and me been fighters since we were born.
Y'all, I just wanted to show you this new diffuser that I got from my kitchen. I absolutely love it. I got it from Target. It was only $32. It's fairly large, and I'm just using a lemon essential oil in it right now. But it's actually cordless. You can charge it with like a USB charger, and it can be cordless once it's charged. And it looks like a little lantern. It's got different lighting displays, but one of them actually flickers kind of like a candle. So I thought it was super cute. Okay, obviously it's the next day. We had so much to do, we couldn't get it finished yesterday. So now we are just continuing to straighten up the house from all the construction projects that we've been done. We just kind of have stuff in the wrong place. So once again, I've got this table kind of all messed up. So we're just everyone's gonna pitch in and we're gonna start putting things away where they actually go. And then we're gonna work on my master bedroom because it has been the worst with the closet construction that we've been doing the past couple of weeks.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me, you and me.
Now that we've gotten everything else put up, I'm gonna go ahead and put up the tools and the equipment in the laundry room where we keep the indoor stuff. And then I'm just gonna wipe down all the surfaces in the laundry room because we've had so much stuff stored in there.
Baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
Now we are putting everything on the right place on our back porch as well as wiping everything off. We had some really high winds in the past couple of days, and so we just kind of had everything stacked against the house because we even had tornado warnings.
We thought life was gonna be. I told you it'd be alright as long as I could have you next to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me.
And now it's finally time to tackle the master bedroom. Our bedroom is really dusty and dirty because we have had all of the equipment that we needed in there to do the 2 closet makeovers that we've recently done. And so we really just want to kind of get the room back in order, and I'm really excited to get it clean.
It was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, and nobody could break us. Yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
Now I'm going to tackle a little bit of laundry and then finish vacuuming the whole downstairs.
Holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. My head is spinning on my shoulders. So what's the use of trying, baby? All the ways they lead to you. You're like a magnet pulling me in. I run away, hit the road, and it almost sting. But I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back. Just like a boomerang. Just like a boomerang. Just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang. Just like a boomerang. I keep on spinning for you. Like a boomerang. I keep on spinning like a boomerang. I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes.
Now I am finishing up the vacuuming. Meanwhile, Gary is making our bed in our master bedroom. Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If you have any prayer requests, please let us know in the comments below. We really appreciate you sticking to the end of this video. If you are still watching, we so much appreciate you and your support of our channel.
I won't let my guard down. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deep.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights.